While chilling at home, I may have done a little shopping on Amazon. There is so much world's smallest stuff that I've never found. So with a few clicks of a button, online shopping is dangerously easy. My order was on its way. Wow, that was fast. I am so excited to open all of this. We have a turntable. That's pretty cool. And what's this? A Barbie. This is the astronaut Barbie. Very cool. And Fisher Price. The Barbie Dreamhouse. Yes! Got that. You know I was going to get that. And Jumanji. Wow, the new movie that came out was actually quite hilarious. Then we have Fisher Price. More Fisher Price. Another Barbie. Gumby. I love Gumby. And, ooh, the same Barbie again. That was an accident. And Fisher Price. And, ooh, one more thing. Fisher Price. Most of these items were about $5. However, the Barbie stuff cost me more. But it's Barbie, so they knew they were gonna get me there. What is really cool about World's Smallest is that most of the items actually work. See, it says right here at the bottom. Yes, actually works. And they are perfectly sized for our 1/6 scale world. Many of these items have been out for a while. They are all available on Amazon. Well, they were when I placed my order. Let's take a look at the chatter telephone. It's all one piece, and when you push down, it makes a sound. I think I can see the eyes moving a little. Yeah, do y'all see that, or is it just me? We can use it as a toy for our little custom Chelsea, along with this corn popper. That really pops. Look at that. When I was younger, I used to babysit my little cousin, and he had one of these, and he loved it, and he would just make it pop all day long, and it would drive me crazy, so I would hide it. But now, looking back, that was like really awful, and I'm so sorry if you're watching this. But the details are quite amazing, and it is so cool that it actually pops. Here's a rock-a-stack. I don't believe you can actually remove the rings. This piece right here at the top kind of stops you. But you still get to play with them, I guess. It really rocks, and it will look great in the dollhouse. The Little People school bus is a fun find. We actually showed this before in our Toy Story nursery. When you roll it, the eyes definitely move, and so does the bus driver. Look at that. The door can open, and we can move the stop sign. All of the little people are stuck in their seats. You know, safety first. But I really love all of the movement for this toy. This is the Little People tractor, and it rolls. We can manually turn his head, but he does not come out. He's stuck in the tractor. It would be really cool if we could take the little people out, especially out of the bus. Let's check out the turntable. It says it has a spinning turntable motion, and it lights up. It is on a keychain. It's just held on with a jump ring, so you can remove it if you really want to. Of course, I'm going to remove it. This one's a little tricky. And there we go. We got it. The top opens, and you can see a record inside. I wonder if this moves. It does! Okay, yeah, so the little needle moves, and there's your light. This is gonna be so cool! And it sounds like there's static. Like your record is at the end. Oh, I love this! If this played real music, I would go crazy! But that's okay, because we can always add the music in later in editing. Like this.
Tell me what you have to go and try.
Here is our Barbie holding the record player for a little size reference. I think this will look really cool in our new Extreme Makeover Dollhouse edition, inspired by the 1962 Barbie Dreamhouse.
Gumby!
Did you watch Gumby? Because I watched Gumby like crazy. These are so small. Gumby stands around 1.5 inches, and Pokey is less than 1 inch tall. Y'all, these are bendable. You can actually bend Pokey's legs. What? Oops, sorry, Pokey. His head doesn't seem to bend, but his body does. He can actually bend his body. What? He's not gonna stand like that. Gumby can move at the arms. Yep, both arms bend. The legs bend. What about the torso? Can we bend his body? Pretty much. Whoa! Could you imagine doing stop motion with this tiny little figure? And yes, he's balancing. Both of these are going into our new dream house. Jumanji, not a playable game. Oh man, I was hoping for some elephants to come running through the house. This one is also a keychain, and you know we are going to remove this. Now let's open it. Oh wow. So this is the old Jumanji, or the original. Shouldn't say old, it's the original. It is not the new one that's like a video game cartridge. There are some dice in here. They are removable. They actually work. Wow, working dice. Love that. Here are the pieces, and it feels like there's a magnet in the bottom because they just kind of stick to the board, which is really cool because, you know, in the original movie, the pieces kind of just like, wow, like that. I don't know if it made that sound, but it was just like, whoa. Well, it landed right up, you know. You know what I mean if you've seen the movie. There are words on the sides.
Jumanji, a game for those who seek to find a way to leave the world behind. Doubles get another turn. The first player to reach the end wins. You roll the dice, you move your token. Well, it didn't really rhyme at the end, but yeah, okay. Adventurers, beware. Do not begin unless you intend to finish. Consequences of the exciting. The game will vanish only when a player has reached Jumanji and called out its name.
You know what? I've seen the movies. Maybe we shouldn't play this. Let's just put it up. Oh no! Did I just go? I don't remember dinosaurs being in this game, but it is totally perfect for our dolls. Well, the dice are a little large, but hey, get Jumanji. And now, world's smallest Barbie stuff. I would not be upset if they made more Barbie stuff, like more dolls, a car maybe, some pets, more houses. Just throwing that out there. Just looking at the packaging, we can tell that the Barbies are not compatible with the Dreamhouse. But the Dreamhouse does come with its own tiny Barbie, so that works. And now I remember why I ended up with 2 of these. I ordered one, and then when I ordered the Dreamhouse, it was a package deal with 2 Barbies. So that's how I ended up with 2. There is a doll stand in the lower half of the packaging, allowing us to display our miniature Barbies. Perfect. This Barbie has articulation. It can move at the waist, at the shoulder, and at the neck. Wait, can you see that? There, it does move at the neck. Her face is painted. You can even see the white in her eyes. I love when they do that. She wears a pink multicolored dress, pink heels, and has pink hair accessories. On the packaging, this Barbie is called the 1992 Barbie. Here is the 1965 Barbie, dressed in an astronaut's uniform. She has short blonde hair, a silver and brown uniform, and a white helmet. Does it actually go on? It doesn't? I'm not going to press it any further, so we're just going to keep it for show. These 2 are great additions to our mini Barbie collection. She has the basic 5 points of articulation as well, with movement at the head shoulder, and hip. I'm gonna have to clear off some shelf space in our mini Barbie collector's room for these girls. If you are collecting the dollar store Barbie minis, here is a size comparison. They are about the same size. Well, that's pretty cool. However, the dollar store minis do not have any articulation and the white of their eyes is not painted. You know, just little details. Here are the minis from the surprise bags. They're a lot smaller. But it is good to know that there are a lot of options if you are collecting miniature Barbies. And you can go even smaller with the world's smallest Barbie Dreamhouse. Stickers inside package includes removable room decor stickers. There are 3 different ones to collect: Malibu Barbie, Swimsuit Barbie, and Totally Hair Barbie. The stickers are located in the bottom of the packaging, along with the most recent collector's guide. In addition to the new Dreamhouse, we can also keep an eye out for the Barbie Polaroid 600 and Fashion Doll Pins Series 2. This Dreamhouse is seriously small. Standing at 3.5 inches tall, the Barbie is just under 1 inch tall. We have the Totally Hair Barbie. What? A miniature Barbie holding an even more miniature Barbie. Wait a minute. Now we have a Barbie holding a Barbie holding a Barbie. This is too much. This is totally a perfect size for Chelsea, but who are we kidding? This is totally for me. I actually had a Dreamhouse just like this. We used it in our very early Derby shows, but ours separated into 3 pieces, and this one is all one piece. However, the fence or the railing in the front is removable, so you can have access to those rooms. There we go. I think I like it without the railing. Not a ton of space on those side rooms for our little Barbie if you try to go in through the front, but there are large windows on the sides, and she can easily stand through there. Lots of space in the middle room on the top, and she can fit in the bottom 3 rooms. There is a printed background. Each room has something a little different. There are printed windows and printed railing. Lots of cutouts in the roof to let in light. The floor is textured, it's pink, and it looks like little pink stones. On the other side, there is a printed picture for the outside of the house. Wow, this is really bringing back memories. The house comes with a lot of stickers, so we can decorate it without taking up any floor space. Add flowers to the flower box. I am not great with stickers. Curtains around the windows. How are we supposed to do this with our giant human hands? This is definitely a job for tweezers. And even then, I didn't get it centered. I'm finding the stickers to be a tiny bit tedious. You really have to take your time. And it could just be that I have a complicated relationship with stickers. But there is definitely a lot of fun to be had with the world's smallest Dreamhouse. When talking 1/6 scale, I would have liked for the Dreamhouse to have been a little larger. When I was little and had one of these in real life, I remember it being very large. Maybe like up to here would be perfect. But I have to keep in mind that these were not created so that our dolls could have toys. They were created to be the world's smallest, and I am very happy to add to my miniature collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some world's smallest fun finds on Amazon. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!